Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be teaching you how to make this Origami Cicada. For this project you can use any square sheet of origami, but we will be using a 6x6 piece. Want to build it? Let's get started.
Start off white side up and fold it in half. Crease well. And then you're going to fold it in half right here and crease. Open it up and fold these to the top. Do this side and do the other side like this. And you're going to end up like this. And now turn it this way, and you're just going to fold it back down like this way. You want it to touch here, so it's like this, and you're going to fold it down to right here. And then you're going to fold it here too. And then you're going to fold it here, down to right here. And then you're going to take this and you're going to fold this not all the way down, but you have a little space right here left. Turn it over, and you're going to take this here, this flat side, and you're going to fold it to the line, so it folds on the line. Do the same thing with the other side. Right here. Increase. And now you're just going to flip it over. And you're going to take this point and just fold it down right here. Take this side and do the same thing. Fold it right here. Crease. You want to keep it down. Just like push it down for a bit so it stays there. And the other side, if it starts opening up like this, then you can just tape it or glue it and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.